Yeah, we are happy with the result. After scoring, the boys have kept the ball, and that was our motive. We keep the ball away from them. That is our way of defending. It is a semi-final. You can win 1-0 and you are comfortable. We are happy with the boys. They have tried. As the main challenge is the weather. I think our boys, we have not been training on a slopey ground, but now you see it, there is a lot. The ground is a bit wet, so I think converting has been challenged to the boys. We have created so many chances, but we have not, and I think we have to work on it. The weather have changed, and now it is raining everywhere. We have to work on that, and next time I think we'll be better. The boys are mentally prepared. They are very well prepared. We are hoping for an East African title to coming with it here. But before that, we have to play tomorrow, and I think the boys are much prepared for the task. We are very ready, and we are ready. That is what we've been waiting for long, and tomorrow we are there. We'll show what we have. We'll try our best, but we know the boys are very much ready. Yeah.